Hello, everyone. Today I want to address the Amber Heard therapist notes. Please note on the bottom of this slide that I am a questioned document examiner and expert witness. This is reportedly the writing of the therapist. The general public is so biased against Amber Heard that the online Twitter experts already believe that this is quote unquote definitely Amber Heard's writing. Now let us have a clear-eyed look and compare her writing with this all too small sample. I am telling you right up front that this writing of the, let's call it the therapist note, is substantially different from Amber Heard's writing. So much so, I expected to be an author other than Amber Heard. And after the evidence, it's time we believe her. This is the writing of Amber Heard. This is of her notebook that she kept with Johnny Depp. Now, the first striking difference is that the slant of Amber Heard is further to the right than that of the therapist note. All lines are copied and pasted. The other striking difference is the zonal distribution. This is the relative size of the upper zone and lower zone as compared to the mid-zone. We can see that Amber Heard has a far taller upper zone structure as compared to the therapist note. Zonal distribution is highly habitual, and most people are not even aware what their own zonal distribution is. The therapist note has a tendency in this short sample to have angular connection strokes. We see that in the IT combination, HR combination, HE combination. Amber Heard, on the other hand, has a more rounded structure, IN, IN, and these are called garlands. That is a substantial difference, a subconscious act in the writing. The therapist has a simple downstroke for the upper zone structure of the F. Amber Heard uses loops. The R of the therapist has an additional and unnecessary looped top on the R, and that is a counterclockwise stroke. Amber Heard writes her R with a more flat top, moving from left to right only. The R in vulnerable has a higher stem. And although that could be a minor loop, it is not really a loop. But the difference there is also that the therapist has the left portion of the R higher than the right. And that is reversed here. The right portion of the R in Amber Heard is higher than the left portion. Again, that is a substantial difference. Now, I am an expert witness in court, and as a question document examiner, I expect these writings to be two different authors. So there is Amber Heard, and there is another author, and she says it's her therapist. I think it's time we believe her. On a side note, of course, this comparison is based on just a few words, but experience tells me handwriting is so habitual that it is very likely two different authors. Of course, for a true and detailed analysis, I need more writing to establish observable patterns and habits. Anyway, I believe her.